To create multiple joints, first we're going to go into the pose tray. We're going to create joint. Come over here in the properties, we're going to uncheck the one joint at a time. Notice we have the mirror here and we have the placement. So the placement is in the interior, so it's automatically going to place it by the volume. And then we do automatic weighting. So I'm going to come over here and say place it on the shoulder, and I click and I drag it down and I let go. Then I click on the elbow, I get the rings situated and I drag down. Then I click in the wrist and I drag towards the fingertips and I let go. When we do this, you'll create a shoulder joint and an elbow joint and a wrist joint. And these are actually automatically created a bone object between the two joints to show their relationship. And so it has a smart auto hierarchy, so it can figure those things out. So we typically want to go from the shoulder to the fingers. We want to go from the hips to the feet. And so those then will be connected now. So as we move one, everything else moves. So remember, when we create multiple joints, we want the elbow joint parented to the shoulder joint. We need to do that by checking off one joint at a time and creating them in a chain from going from shoulder to the elbow to the wrist. Likewise, we want to go from the hip to the knee to the ankle. And so this is how we create multiple joints in Mudbox.